doesn't close. Stays open. Buttons don't work. Can't start it. It's not closed properly. Top corner over here. Boom. And then you have this one right here. Wow. Right there. After you take out all the screws. I'm using this to pry it open. But this is the look. Essentially, this is the shield. You can see the screen over there. Boom. First layer, second layer. Door. Alright, so this is how they line up. These guys go like that. Alright, the hook, you see the hooks right there, boom, boom. And you see the spots for the hooks. Here's one. Here's for the top one. Here's the bottom one, right? And here we go. Boom. Line them up. Let it go down. So now, the spring will automatically go up and down, up and down. Let's call this the top hook. The top hook gets on, connected to there. Alright? Boom. This little piece of end is connected to there. Now, the bottom part of the hook stretches out, right? Stretches out. The bottom part of the hook goes onto this person right here. This little connector or whatever it is you want to call it. Right? The bottom part goes there, and the top part stretches. So I don't have anything to hold on to the top part of the spring. So I'm gonna use a rubber band here. Alright, connect the rubber band from the top to this end and hook on the spring and see how it works out. Is open, no intrusion of the rubber band. I looped it around. Free movement, no friction from the rubber band. So next, we pull the spring out, right? Pull it down, and latch it onto this hook over here. You see this guy, right? You see how it's hooked on, right? That's the middle guy. Start trying to put it back in. All right, line them up with the, I guess, the third layer or whatever. So everything installed. stuck down, right? Popped it in, made sure tapped in. Here we go. Test. Moment of truth. Let's do 5 seconds. Bismillah. Ah, it works. Oh, listen, light. The light is on? Yeah, the light is on. Whoa! Let's get him. Alright, let's see if it really works. Alright. A little water in here. Alright. So we'll take this mug. We're gonna put it in the microwave. Boom. Let's see if the water heats up. Alright. Second flash. Okay, steam. What we got? Is there steam coming out? Oh, I see steam. Yep, it's hot. I don't know if I can see the steam. There it is. Working, boys and girls. We got it going on. Yeah.
ये मेरे फैमिली